If you're looking to get your arm moving again, even if you don't have any movement, then this exercise video is for you. With the right setup and the right exercises, we can get that arm moving again. Today, we're going to be doing 100 repetitions to strengthen your elbow, shoulder, and scapula, and we only need a few household things to get started. You'll need your wheelchair or a stable chair with arm support. You'll also need a sturdy table that's been cleared off, and also a hand towel to help your arm slide better. Now that you're all set up, let's get to work. For the first exercise, we will be sliding your hand straight out as far as you can, then bring it back to your body. First, try to do it with just your affected arm if you have a little movement. If you can't get your arm to move very well, that's okay. Just use your other hand to guide your stronger arm. I find it better to hook your thumb around the wrist to help guide the hand more. If you feel a good stretch as you're reaching out in front, it's okay to pause for a few seconds before pulling back. And the second exercise we're doing today is side to side. Next, we're going to slide our hand from one side of the table to the other side of the table, like you're wiping it down. Try to reach each side of the table if you can. Also, make sure your whole arm is moving from side to side and not just your elbow. For our last set of exercises, we're going to be moving onto circles. We will start by going clockwise for 10 reps. Once you've reached 10 reps going clockwise, let's reverse it to counterclockwise for another 10 reps. Try to make big circles on this one. And now we're back to the forward and back movements. Remember to push all the way out in front as far as you can before bringing it back. Let's continue to our second set of side to side. Also, don't forget, if you're guiding your arm today, your brain is still learning. Movement starts in the brain before it shows up in the muscles. Moving on to our last set today, we're going to be doing circles for another 10 reps clockwise. Don't forget to move in big circles. After you hit 10, we're going to switch directions and finish it out with another 10 reps counterclockwise. And that's it for today's video. We just did 100 repetitions to strengthen your affected elbow, shoulder, and scapula. And if you want to continue progressing, be sure to check out my bilateral arm training video over here, where we'll go through some different arm exercises that are all great for strengthening your arm in these early stages. So be sure to check it out, and I'll see you there.